I'm gonna show you guys how to delete everything on Facebook. I've already showed you guys how to delete all your posts at once on X, Twitter. So on Facebook, we're gonna show if you guys are acting like Kanye West and you guys just want to clean up your profile and be less of a brand risk. This video is for y'all. It's pretty simple. So I want the first thing you guys need to do is get Tampa Monkey. You guys can get it on Google or Edge. So as soon as you guys have this, you guys want to go on Facebook and you guys want to search up Facebook Post Deleter and then Facebook Timeline Cleaner. So as soon as you guys get this, you get fine, and then you guys want to type this into here, and then you guys want to, if it's not on here, you guys can go on Greasy Fork and search up for scripts on here too. So as soon as you guys get those scripts, you go to your Facebook and you guys want to go to your settings. And so pretty much what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to scroll all the way down. It doesn't auto scroll. It goes to the latest. So as long as you go all the way down, then you hit all delete, it'll delete as far as you go down. So we're gonna go to activity log, and then we're gonna go to post. Then as you guys can see, these are all the stuff that I have liked, and as you guys can see, I've already deleted a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff is already only me. It's already deleted. So what you guys can do is go to your post. As you guys can see, it's shared, and this is as far, but for y'all would just have to keep scrolling down. You guys can see it's activated. Scroll down and literally just delete. And then for me, just delete, and it's that simple. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. It's very simple, and this is free too. Delete all your posts and help you guys be more low key on the internet.